Guys, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm so excited to share with you this website that allows you to generate amazing coloring books with the power of AI. So let me show you guys. This is coloringbook.ai, and all you have to do to quickly create an account is to head over to coloringbook.ai, and if you have a Gmail account you can quickly sign in. And on top of that, you can also sign in with your Apple account as well. Now I want to share with you that you can get started for absolutely free to test out this website, and when you get started you get 4 credits in your account. Now once you sign in, just simply go to dashboard, and if you want to change the language because English is not your native language, you can switch the language here on the upper right hand side as well. Now let's see what you can do in this account before I show you how to create the coloring book. You can do image to coloring pages, so you can upload your image and you can just basically generate a coloring page. As you can see, I've done that with a Lamborghini. Let me click on it so that you can see this is the page, and as you can see, this was the original, and you can even do a side-by-side comparison. Once you have that page that come up, you can always download it as a PNG or as a PDF document as well. Now let's go back. The next thing you can do here is do text to coloring pages, so you can just simply use words to think of whatever you want, and you can put in that prompt and it's going to generate a page for you. And if you have some ideas, or if you don't have ideas, you can simply use ChatGPT or one of those AI text bot, and you can just come up with some amazing prompts that you will just basically use to create amazing pages. Now when it comes to coloring books, all you have to do is go to the coloring book generator section. From here you can upload your images or upload image, or you can use from text description. So you can just type whatever it is, or use one of those AI tools such as ChatGPT to come up with a book description, a coloring book description, and you can enter it, or you can just simply say inspire me. Right click that and it's gonna basically come up with different pages and so forth and so forth. Right now you can do a 10-page, 5-page, and even a 20-page coloring book generation, and it's going to generate all different kind of stuff for you, and you can just simply enter the story outline. If you don't know what to do, you can say inspire me again, and it's going to come up with some inspiration that you can do. Again, you can use the power of AI to come up with a coloring book story, and it's going to create those 5 pages, 10 pages, 20 pages for you. But keep in mind that you need a premium features to actually do this, and if you have that, it actually gives you like a certain credits discount to basically do it. And you can choose a dimension here as well to basically have how you want those pages to be created. You can even remove the watermark. Again, you have to have the premium features to do that. But once you have all of that intact, go ahead and hit generate, and it will generate the pages for you, and you can download the book once it is ready. Now let's talk about the premium upgrades and those premium features that you need to generate it. If you head over to upgrade, guys, you will see that you have a few options here. You have the professional, the business, the hobby, and the starter. You can get started with one of these, right? And as you can see here, for example, for the starter package, you can do up to a 10-page coloring book generation here. So if you want to get this, you can simply get started with this option, and if you want to do just single pages, you can do up to 100 pages per month. It's really up to you. The hobby one as well, the business one, and the professional one. So all you have to do is either try to basically get the monthly plan or the yearly plan. It's really up to you, depending on whichever option you want to go for, and you'll be able to quickly subscribe, and then you can start generate coloring book for yourself. And that's how easy it is, guys, to generate coloring book with the power of AI using coloringbook.ai. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.